our educational video series. I'm Rachel. Today we'll be talking about the advantages of frameless motors compared to conventional motors. Conventional motors consist of a rotor and a stator pre-assembled into a housing unit with shafts and bearings. Frameless motors are the active torque and speed producing part of the conventional motor, but without the rotor shaft or internal bearings. In a frameless motor, the rotor and the stator are mounted directly into the machine assembly. When it comes to efficiency, frameless motors stand out. They eliminate the need for belts, gears, or complex transmission systems and allow the drive system to be tuned to much higher performance thresholds. In the flexographic printing industry, this has resulted in significant increases in registration performance, and along with other technologies has resulted in flexo print quality nearly matching offset print quality. While higher levels of performance by itself is a reason for the high adoption rate of this type of motor, there are also other valuable benefits to this technology. Reduced maintenance due to the elimination of belts, gears, and wear items. Since frameless motors have fewer components, there are less parts to purchase, stock, and maintain, allowing you to keep the press running smoothly and consistently. Energy efficiency is also a notable advantage. Frameless motors have a higher torque density resulting in a smaller physical footprint and a higher torque output with less energy consumption. This makes them highly efficient, especially as part of a regenerative drive system. This means they consume less energy while delivering top-notch performance, not only reducing operational costs, but also contributing to a more sustainable printing process. The advantages of frameless motors in the printing industry are clear. They offer reduced maintenance, precise control, energy efficiency, and improved productivity. These technologies are not just innovations. They are catalysts for elevating the quality of modern printing processes. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more from our educational video series. We hope you gained valuable insights from today's video.
For more in-depth videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.
Be sure to comment below if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in the future.
Happy converting and keep practicing your craft. Thank you.